Welcome to Serengeti National Park, Tanzania. This is perhaps one of the most sought after safari parks in all of Africa. Actually, Serengeti National Park is actually continuous with the Maasai Mara National Reserve in Kenya. It's just divided by the country's border. But Serengeti National Park is home to the big five: the rhinos, the leopards, the lions, and the elephants. This is a popular place with its expansive area to see a variety of wildlife. We've just come from the Maasai Mara and we've crossed the border to make this a two-country park safari. We invite you to come with us on a game drive as we explore Serengeti National Park and all that it has to offer. Only in the Serengeti can you get views like this. A big bull male elephant right here, but 5 minutes from our lodge and camp. Welcome to the Ngorongoro Crater, UNESCO Heritage Site. We're here on the south rim, which is known as the Garden of Eden, or the lush jungle site. There's also a desert site or drier site that we can show you later in this video. But the Ngorongoro Crater is the world's largest inactive volcano caldera that's also unbroken or unfilled. And we're on top of the south rim. It is a haven of wildlife because of the natural barriers. The wildlife is extra concentrated. So you have the chance to see the big five all in one area pretty quickly. You'll be amazed at the difference in the landscapes from the jungle or the lush side to the desert side. And so when you come to the Ngorongoro Crater from the south, you'll start on the jungle side and you'll exit through the desert side and vice versa. The wildlife and the abundance of this ecosystem is truly amazing. From the birds that you'll see to the cats, the zebras, buffaloes, and the wildebeest, and much, much more. It's a great area to see such an abundance of wildlife in one area. The Ngorongoro Crater is a must when you come to Tanzania on your African safari.